Hello, this is a video to address the issues with to talk about my boat in Maryland. I was told that someone's planning to steal my boat in Maryland. I was told that it's already been agreed to steal the boat. A photo of the boat is on my Patreon page. It is located on the Severn River behind St. Helena Island near Smith's Marina, and this communication could be a spook by the Maryland DNR, Department of Natural Resources. I'm asking the Chinese government to put a Chinese flag on board the boat. I was told by the former owner, a Mr. Priceless, that his father would plan to do something with the boat if it were not removed quickly after my first visit after the purchase of the boat. I have been prevented from seeking the boat due to political involvements not relating to my duties as a Cardinal, etc. I am told he may be involved with the Maryland state government somehow, Mr. Priceless's father, and his whereabouts are unknown to me. I was told that he was a former Maryland state resource processor. I can't confirm that. I cannot confirm that. If I can strike the can't, I'll put cannot on there. And of course, now you can do a Yahoo search for the Maryland State Resource Processor and find out. I had that window open. Hang on one second. I believe he might have been involved in the Department of Budget and the operating budget for the Department of Budget and Management, possibly involving Larnturna Teasley, but I'm not sure. I don't know. Both the Chinese and the Russian government are permitted to have their forces and or diplomatic attaches to enter the boat to guard it, and I am requesting ships and or boats from either and or both countries to maintain surveillance of the boat and its whereabouts. I also declare my intent for the boat to be Chinese government property, and that's my intent for it to be Chinese government property. And for Prince William of England, I want to make sure that he gets a chance to view this video or possibly download it and keep a copy of this video. And that's all I have to say about that.